Are moles, mice, or even rats causing problems around your home, barn, or business? They chew wires in cars, hot tubs, and air conditioners? Check out this video. I'll show you how to make a bait station to take care of that. Every fall, they start looking for a warm place to move in. They make the nest in the garage, house, and barns out of straw, hay, anything they can find. Today I'm going to show you how I made a simple auto-feeding bait station out of PVC pipe. It'll help get rid of those pesky little things. For this project, all we need is a 2-inch section of PVC pipe. I need enough to cut it into 3 12-inch sections. Then we need a PVC T-fitting and a cap and a wire coat hanger. The bait that we use needs a hole through the center so it slides down the wire. If you're cutting the pipe to length yourself, one of the cuts you can make at a 45-degree angle, and that's going to help protect the hole a little bit from rain and weather. When you put the pipe together, glue is optional. You really don't need to use glue for this project. It'll hold itself together just fine for what we need. So to get started, we're going to take our T-fitting and slide a 12-inch pipe into each one of the ends of it. That forms the 2 entrances. If you have a 45-degree angle cut on your pipes, pay attention to how they're situated when you put them together. We're going to take the last piece of pipe and insert it into the center of the T and orient it so it stands upright. The PVC cap will be used to put on the top of this pipe to keep the rain and weather out. You can use all thread or baling wire or just any stiff wire for putting the bait onto. I use a coat hanger. Cut it long enough to reach from the top of the upright pipe down to the bottom. Some bait works better than others, so you may have to try a couple different kinds, but we want the kind with a hole in the center so we can slide the bait blocks onto the wire. Then as the bait is eaten from the bottom, the new piece automatically slides down the wire and it makes it a auto feed bait station. You can see the bait hanging down on the inside there, so it's ready to go. Before I put everything together, I took the upright piece and sanded the end of it just enough so the cap would slide on more easily. I figured it'd make it a lot easier to get off after time goes by. If you don't like the look of a white PVC pipe on the outside of your house, you can paint these. I tried to paint these a couple of different colors to help match where they go. The great thing about this design is that the 2-inch PVC pipe is too small for animals like dogs and cats to get into, so it's much safer around pets and kids. If you don't have cats to help control mice, this station's going to be a great alternative. You can lean the bait station against the outside of the house or garage. Just zip tie it to a post or a pipe to keep it upright. My nephew has several of these around his business and hasn't had a mouse problem since he started using them. So that's how you make a simple, low-cost vole and mouse bait dispenser using just PVC pipe. It's durable, weather-resistant, and auto-feeds the bait as needed. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.